everybody! It's your buddy Homer here, and today we're looking at the big, beefy family haulers. The 2025 Toyota Highlander and the 2026 Honda Passport. One's got turbo power and hybrid magic, the other's got a big old V6 that growls like me when I miss breakfast. So grab a donut, buckle up, and let's see which one's the king of the cold days. Zach! But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on that notification. The 2025 Toyota Highlander is like the donut of family SUVs, sweet, reliable, and comes in more than one flavor. You get a turbocharged to 0.4-liter engine with 265 horses, or a fuel-drinking hybrid to 0.5-liter making 186 ponies. Front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive? You pick! It even sips gas better than I sip stuff, with up to 35 mpg. It tows 5,000 pounds, carries a whole gang of people, and starts at just under 40 grand. That's a lot of SUV for a lot of pizza runs. The 2026 Honda Passport is for folks who want to get out and play in the mud without breaking a sweat. This baby's got a 3.5-liter V6 with 285 horsepower and all-wheel drive all the time. It can tow 5,000 pounds, crush trails with its off-road suspension, and still keep you comfy. You will pay more for the adventure, starting at $44,750, but if you like driving through places without roads, this thing's your new best friend. Wowza. The Highlander's got a sport-tuned suspension for zippy drive stimulus, plus fancy stuff like a digital rearview mirror and a scuff plate for the bumper. So when Bart slams his bike into it again, no problem. And the Passport doesn't even have those. But man, the base Highlander starts with boring cloth seats and front-wheel drive, and the tiny 7-inch screen. That's like watching TV on a calculator. Compared to the Passport's tech, it's kinda like bringing a slingshot to a laser tag fight. Now we're talking. Heated front seats, a power driver's seat that remembers you're behind, and a big 12.3-inch screen. It's like sitting in a spaceship. It even charges your phone without the wire mess. Way to go, Passport! But it's not perfect, folks. It can only fit 5 people, so forget bringing your bowling team. And it costs way more than the Highlander. No hybrid either, so you'll be chugging gas like me at a chili cook-off. So the Highlander might not be the fanciest pizza on the menu, but it's got more room, better gas mileage with a hybrid, and cool stuff the Passport just doesn't have. Plus it costs less. Ye for savings! Now the Passport, it's tougher, fancier, and ready to hit the trails with heated wipers and even a washer for the front camera. And surprise, it's got more speakers too. Not bad for the little guy. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments before Marge tells me to stop looking at cars like I look at donuts.